Good morning, everyone. So, I am on my way to shoot a short film called Jay Shetty. I have 2 lines. It was so hard memorizing them. Surprise! And I love you, Mom. Thanks for everything. That's it. That's all. So let's get going and let's get her done.
In my car, not gonna go far. Anyway, so today I'm going back to Macy's to try to find a detective outfit for my headshots. It's a lot harder to find a fitted blazer than previously assumed because it's been like 3 weeks and I have bought everything but that dang blazer. So, brazer. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then after that I am going to Beverly Hills for my first micro needling session. So I might not film that because my face is gonna look real messed up. It's gonna look real beat for a couple of days, so you might not see me. But yeah, it's happening to youth and longevity.
Chipotle is my life. Alrighty, so I was just sitting at home minding my business and I got this package out of nowhere and it contained this beauty mask from Boscia Cosmetics. This is their, let me not get the name wrong, this is their Mermaid Fire and Ice peel off mask. I'm super excited to try this, but this box wasn't only for this. Are you ready for this? I'm so excited. I have it plugged in next to my bed. They also sent me this freaking awesome mini beauty fridge. I am so hyped and excited. This is the biggest, best PR I've ever received, and I'm literally on cloud 9.
Babe, what are we doing today? Oh, okay, so, I don't even know what I was saying. Sorry, my boyfriend's being really annoying. So today I'm going to a red carpet. I'm going to I Spit on Your Grave. That's not it. Shit. Is it I Spit on Your Grave? I Spit on Your Grave too. It's a really cool, the first part was a really cool, revenge film about a girl who takes revenge.
100 feet, turn left after Chase Bank on the left onto Wilshire Boulevard.
Can you guys hear steering? Anyway, yeah, so it's about a girl that takes revenge on intruders that came into her house or whatever. It's a really cool movie, so I hope that the second part is equally as cool. Yeah, I'm a little late. Only 17 minutes late.
After Chase Bank on the left onto Wilshire Boulevard.
Siri, shut the hell up. Yeah, I'm a little late. I'm only 17 minutes late for the red carpet. The movie doesn't start for another 45 minutes. So like I should be good, right? I should be good.